Hello DVC, here's how to use NameCoach, a Canvas tool that allows you to record your name and signify your preferred honorific and gender pronouns. So within a Canvas course, in the course navigation menu, click NameCoach, then click Record Name. Here's where you can type in your preferred honorific. So in my case, this will be Ms. Your preferred gender pronouns. In my case, this will be she, her, hers. And now I can record my name. And so there are two ways to do this. The first way is by entering your phone number here, and NameCoach will call you and say, please record your name after the beep. The other way is to use the web recorder here. So if you click the purple record button, you'll be asked to give NameCoach permission to use your microphone. So you can say allow Cat King. Now, if I want to check and make sure that sounded okay, I can press the play button. Cat King. I'm okay with that, so that's great, but if for some reason I said my own name funny, I can record again. Now, if I just need to scroll down here and click Submit and Finish, and now you can see anybody in my class can now play my name, Cat King. See that I prefer Ms. and she, her, and hers. This is a great way to be able to share the correct pronunciation of your name with your fellow students, instructors, and others. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, DVC.